Hi everyone, I'm Nick, and I'm here with the OP team to tell you about our new pre-owned certified program.
That's right, Nick. You can purchase a house with confidence knowing it's been certified and inspected by our team.
And not only that, but our program also includes warranty packages that cover your heating system, interior plumbing and electrical, and repair for all appliances.
That's right. With our program, you don't have to worry about unexpected repairs or expenses. We've got you covered.
Our program offers a peace of mind to home buyers. You can trust that the house you're buying will be in top condition.
And if something does go wrong, we'll be there to fix it. Our team of experts is ready to help you with any repairs you may need.
Whether it's a faulty appliance, broken heating system, broken pipe, don't worry, we got it.
Our warranty packages are designed to fit your specific needs. We have different levels of coverage so you are protected.
And don't forget, our program also includes a certification for the property. This means that our team has thoroughly inspected and certified the home.
So if you're looking for a confident and stress-free way to buy a house, our pre-owned certified program is the way to go. Choose our pre-owned certified program for a worry-free experience.